Yo, what's up guys? Today I bring you the MetaTrader 5, which is come now back on your iOS versions with latest iOS MetaTrader 5 version with new app. So be carefully, follow all the steps to get this app. You know guys, it will run on your all iOS from iOS 11 to iOS 16, 16.5 and on all your devices, iPod, iPad, on your iOS devices, all can run. You just need iOS running on it. So guys, you don't need any PC for it, you don't need any jailbroken devices, you just need to follow the step which I am going to show you in this tutorial, and after following these steps you will get your app and enjoy it as you want. So be carefully, follow all the steps which I am going to show you in this tutorial. One more thing guys, I am going to pasting the link of the tutorial in the description, and after go and click the description and come to the next screen to watch the tutorial.